In a forgotten corner of an old house there lay a doll with no eyes, its presence shrouded in mystery and unease. The little girl, curious yet terrified, felt an inexplicable pull towards the doll, as if it were beckoning her into its haunting world. As she drew closer, the air grew colder, and an eerie whisper seemed to echo around her, filling her mind with unsettling thoughts. In that moment, she realized the doll was not just an innocent toy, but a vessel of dark secrets hiding a past filled with sorrow and revenge. Memories flooded her mind, revealing the tragic story of the doll's former owner, whose spirit was trapped longing for freedom and closure. With each whispered word, the girl felt a connection forming, urging her to uncover the truth behind the doll's haunting and set the tormented spirit free. She realized that understanding the doll's history was the key to breaking the curse and allowing both the doll and the spirit to find peace. As she recited the forgotten tales, the air began to shimmer, and the haunted presence slowly transformed into a quiet sorrow, ready to be released.